Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope all are well. Welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to discuss components of food, a new chapter. Dear students, the last class we discussed the lesson food. You already learned the different kinds of food materials and ingredients and the lesson food. Now you are going to learn about the different components of food materials in our daily life. Yeah. So different kinds of food materials are our diet maintenance. So these are the food materials. So let us understand one by one. So different components of food materials. Food. Food is a nutritive substance taken by an organism for growth, work, repair, and maintaining life process. Definitely, last class we learned the food material is necessary to maintain the any kind of metabolic activities in our body. So, like a growth, we need to do some work. We need food materials and repair any kind of cells or parts will be rupture in our body. It will be repaired and maintenance of the life process, like a respiration, digestion, etc. These are all of the life process. Food is a kind of fuel for the living things, just as petrol is a fuel for our car. Likewise, in the same way, food is a fuel for our body. Understand? Yeah. So, how the petrol for the car as well as food is for us. All living organisms, such as plants and animals, require food materials. So, food is essential, it's necessary for all living organisms. Most of our food is made of these things. We get food from plants as well as animals. Okay, mostly different. You know that different kinds of food materials we are getting from the plants, we already learn, as well as animals. We get food materials from the plants and animals. See here, different kinds of food materials. Those are the plant materials as well as animal food materials. See this, fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, etc. As well as animal food materials like a meat, chicken. See this. Yeah, these are all of the different kinds of food materials we are getting from the plants and animals. Food help us to grow. Food help us to give energy. Food help us to be healthy. Right? Yeah. The useful substances and the food that provide you all these three are called as nutrients. Say this, food helps to grow and to give energy and to be healthy. These are the three kinds. It will be provide these three kinds we call as a ingredients. See, these are the nutrient materials, different kinds of materials. There are the different types of nutrients present in our food materials. These nutrients we also call as components of food. So there are the six types of components. So major components are the six types. So those are the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and raw fish. These are the different kinds of food materials, food components. So let us discuss one by one. First one is carbohydrates. See, carbohydrates, these are the compounds made up of three elements like a carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. See, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So these are the symbols of these elements. You have to learn in the chemistry. Okay, carbon symbol is C, hydrogen H, oxygen O, like that. So they need the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So, for example, glucose is a type of carbohydrate. For example, you know the glucose formula C6H12O6. See here, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So the three elements are present in the glucose. So it is a type of carbohydrate. So carbohydrates, the compounds made up of the three elements, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Understand? The main carbohydrates found in our food are in the form of glucose and other sugars and the starch. So sugars, different kinds of sugars. Even table sugar is also a type of carbohydrate. And the starch. The starch present in our rice. Understand? Yeah. Sources of carbohydrates. Where we get the carbohydrates? The includes of cereals. Mostly we are getting the carbohydrates from the cereals, such as wheat, maize, rice, jawar, bajra, potatoes. Actually, it's not cereal, but you know, potato contain the a lot of carbohydrates. Okay, up to now, these are the wheat, maize, rice, jawar, bajra. So these are all of the cereals. Okay, fine. Potatoes, sugar, honey, bread, jaggery. You know, jaggery, sugar cane, sugar beet. Okay, sugar beet means a beetroot. So these contain the these contain the carbohydrates, right? Yeah. Functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates such as starch and sugar provide most of the energy to our body. You know, the carbohydrates are the sources of energy giving food materials. Generally, the food materials we are dividing into the energy producing components are as well as bodybuilding food materials and protective food materials. So the carbohydrates are the energy giving food materials. So carbohydrates and fats both are the energy giving food materials, right? It is the cheapest source of energy for the body. Even carbohydrates such as glucose, it gives a instant energy to our body, right? Yeah. This is the main function of the carbohydrates is to give the energy, right? The examples given here for the carbohydrates, rice. So we are going to prepare these rice with the different kind of materials, right? You know already this kind of food materials. Wheat, how we are going to prepare different food materials with the help of wheat. And potatoes, even though potatoes and sweet potatoes both contain the carbohydrates. Maize, sugarcane, these also contain the sweet material. So that means carbohydrates. Yeah, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the main type of nutrients They are the most important source of energy for our body. Your digestive system changes the carbohydrates into the glucose. So, a digestive tract, when we are going to take a food materials, that food should be converting into the glucose in your digestive tract, right? So that is we call as a blood sugar. Okay, your body, your body uses the sugar for energy for your cells. Our body is composition of different cells, a group of cells, and a group of cells to form the tissues, a group of tissues to form the organs, as well as a group of organs to form the organ systems. Organ systems, a group of organ systems to form the organism. Simply, I'll tell you the example. A cell are the smallest units. Okay, a group of cells to form the tissues, a group of tissues to form the organs, any of the organ. For example, stomach is a organ, a group of organs, like a different organs in our digestive tract. For example, mouth is an organ, esophagus is an organ, okay, stomach, intestine, these are all the a group of organs, a group of organs to form the organ systems. So digestive system is the type of organ system. So different kinds of organ systems: digestive system, respiratory system, muscular system, skeletal system, etc. To all these organ systems to form the organism. So likewise, your body uses the sugar for the energy for your cells, tissues, and the organs. Okay, even organ systems, etc. It stores any extra sugar in your liver and muscles for when it is needed. So, which are the extra food materials, extra sugars? It will be stored in the liver as well as muscles. That means of the maintenance of muscle power. And some kinds of situations it is stored as a fat also. We'll discuss in the next topic, right? Yeah, next continuous fats topic. This is regarding the carbohydrates. See this? These carbohydrates are the energy giving food materials, right? Mainly they are provide instant energy to our body. Glucose is present in the form of starch and sugar. And one more important point is glucose provides within a fraction of seconds. Mostly athletes or the sportsmen, they're going to take a glucose for the instant energy, right? Test for starch and sugar. How can we test the starch and sugar? See, dear students, add a few drops of weak iodine solution. We need the iodine solution in the test tube. So, for example, it is a test tube, right? So, contain the potato or wheat flour. So, it contain the potato or the wheat flour, right? It contains the potato or wheat flour. What they mentioned, so the occurrence of blue-black color shows the presence of starch. When you're going to add these iodine solution into the potato pieces or wheat flour, so it is converting into the, so when we are going to add the iodine solution to this material, so it is converting into the blue black color. So it is converting into the blue black color, right? As well as test for the presence of sugar. Same manner, add a few drops of Benedict solution. Iodine solution and the Benedict solutions similarly same composition but different solutions. Okay, the Benedict solutions into the test tube containing the crushed piece of bananas. Same way, you have to take the test tube same manner. Sorry. So take these the same test tube. Okay. In this test tube, take these banana, crushed bananas, or apple, so etc. So first of all, heat them. Later, add these Benedict solutions into the composition. So when you're going to add, it will be form the red precipitate to show the presence of glucose, sugar in the given food item. So that is a test for the sugar. So mostly we are going to test the iodine test. So we call as a iodine solution. We need the iodine solution for the iodine test. Remember the iodine test. To find the carbohydrates, we need to test the iodine. So iodine test is most important test to find the carbohydrates. Understand? So this will be helpful to the future studies also in the future classes. So most of the activities we are going to utilize the iodine for the identification or the test for the starch or the test for the carbohydrate. Understand? Right. Up to now we discussed carbohydrates. I'll repeat these all once again. Dear students, we have different kinds of components of food materials. So first of all, food materials will are helpful to maintain the body functions. So it gives the growth, gives the energy, and maintain the healthy. So according to the components of food materials, these are the different types of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, roughage, etc. Right? So we have the different kinds of food materials. So those are the some are the energy giving food materials. Energy giving food materials are the carbohydrates and the fats. Okay. And next, bodybuilding food materials are the proteins. Okay. As well as protective food materials are the vitamins, minerals, roughage. So water also. It is this water is the maintenance of our balance, body balance. Right? So these are the different types of components in our body. So first one is carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are the it's contain the three types of elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Right? Yeah, it is the form of the glucose or the other kind of sugar substances as well as starch. The sources of carbohydrates are the most of the cereals. Okay, wheat, maize, rice, jawar, bajra, potato. Okay, sugar, honey, bread, jaggery, sugar cane. So beetroot, beet sugar means beetroot, etc. These are all are the sources of carbohydrates. So which are the sweet materials? So those are all of the carbohydrates, right? So the functions of carbohydrates are so they are providing the mostly the carbohydrates are providing the energy to our body. So the cheapest energy source is our body is carbohydrate. Yeah, these are the examples: rice, wheat, potato and sweet potato, maize, sugarcane, so etc. These are all the different examples of the carbohydrates, right? So carbohydrates are necessary for maintenance of our body and to give the energy, right? And it is gives the instant energy to our body. So to test the starch with the help of the iodine. So we call as iodine test. we are going to conduct the iodine test for addition of carbohydrates. Right? Yeah. Read well, dear students. We're going to discuss the next topic, fats. Right? See you later. Read well. Thank you.